Alright guys, a very beautiful day to you out there. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, this is Zionhublogistics. We discuss money, we discuss mini importation, we discuss everything that have to do with affiliate marketing, e-commerce and making money online, most especially when it comes to arbitrage. We are moving there shortly. So in today's tutorial, I have something very unique and uncommon, right? So most especially if you find yourself in the aspects of those people who have made a payment on 1688, you've made the payment on 1688 and your account is being restricted, or your account is being locked out, you don't have access to this account. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you a step-by-step on how to retrieve this account and how you can also chat with 1688 customer care. Of course, this is very rampant issues when in these cases you chat with supplier, you pay your supplier with a third-party account, and maybe the supplier just want to eat that money, the supplier want to scam you, and by this process the supplier went ahead to report your 1688 account, right? So due to this fact, you won't be able to have access to this account anymore. Issues when you want to chat your 1688 customer care based on your account. Maybe a supplier failed to deliver an order on time, you want to speak with an online customer representative. So these are what we are going to be looking at in today's tutorial. So if you find yourself first time watching Zionhublogistics, my name is Samuel Joshua, so please do well to ensure you subscribe. It is very important, so you'll be able to have access to our coming videos, and whenever I post any helpful content, YouTube will be able to recommend this video to you that I've already dropped another video. So please subscribe. If you want me to help you do your procurement, you want me to help you pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to run your Facebook adverts, Instagram adverts, you can do what to reach me live on my WhatsApp or Instagram handle at Zionhublogistics. So without more further ado, 1688 account, you can see that I have my account in here. Let me refresh this page for you to see that this is an active chat, and here is my previous conversation with different suppliers, and I have over 59 items on transit. Let me click on my profile for you to see. You can see that I have over 82 goods that I have bought and is on transit right now. Is on its way to his the shipping company address that is going to ship it down to Nigeria, right? So that's not the topic of the day, but if you want me to help you procure your goods, if you want me to buy on your behalf, maybe you're having any issues and you want to pay your supplier directly, I can help you do that. I can help you boost your Facebook adverts, and I can also help you grow your Instagram handles. You need more followers. These are things you can always contact me with, right? So now all this having been said, now we are going to be contacting this guy directly, this 1688 customer care, right? So please, as you are watching, if you have gained one or two things, please, I beg you to subscribe, right? So you are going to click on this guy up here. Please always note the time. I'm recording this video now at 10:50 a.m. in the morning. So you know we are having different time zone with China, so sometimes you might contact them and they will tell you that their customer care is not online, or maybe they can even tell you different things. Okay, so please make sure that you are contacting them maybe something around in the morning. Okay, so now you are going to click on this something like headset here. So you click on beside the settings icon, you click on it. So clicking on it will takes you to this page. So let me just translate this page for you to see. Let me translate it. I screenshot, then I come to my Google Translator. So I cancel this guy, then upload this guy. Okay, so let me just translate for you to see for a better understanding. So you can see that we have different issues here. The first one is maybe you can't log in, All right, so different people have contacted me on they told me that their account has been frozen, their account has been restricted. This is where we are going to be resolving it. Okay, so the first one is can't log in. You can easily click on this option, but this is not the aim of this tutorial, because we want to focus our tutorial on chatting with a live chat agent. And I've also recorded a video on how you can chat with Taobao customer care as well. So now you can see the first one, can't log in, the second one, distributes, the third one is damaged and out of stock. So these are different session we have. You can see here we have refund, recommended, and all that, complain. So these are different issues arising on this app. Let's go back to the app. So you can see right here, and what you want to do here is to type. You open here, then make sure what you are typing is in Chinese, because this is basically a Chinese app. All right, so make sure whatever it is that you are typing is typing in Chinese. So if you want to, I'll be making use of my Go keyboard. You can go and download your Go keyboard. It can help you translate without using any external app. Okay, so I click on this translate. Now I will type I want to speak with online customer care or customer service. Let me put customer service. Now this guy is going to help me to translate it. You can see that he has already translated. Then I cancel this one, return, then I send. What I just sent now is I want to speak with customer representative. So I'll screenshot this guy, although I'm making use of this last option here, but I want you guys to understand it. That's why I'm taking it one after the other. So let me go back to my Google Translator, then input this guy here, then translate it for me. You can see we have dear 𝐻𝐸𝐿. You can also help you answer these questions. You can see that this is the first option. The first option says product quality problem. Then the second one says transaction rights complaint. Then the third one says none of the above, find manual customer service. This simply means that we are looking for a human agent, like one-on-one chat. So we are making use of the third one. Let's go back to our 1688. So I click on this third guy here. Clicking on that third guy will send it and bring this option here. So I screenshot again, go back to my Google Translator, then open this guy here. All right, so that haven't been clicked on. This another option pops in. We have the first one as Taobao buyer customer service, and we have the second one as Taobao merchant customer service, and the third one as Alipay customer services. These are three different things. Now the first one is saying Taobao buyer customer services. These are for us. If you are using Taobao, you can also make use of these services, right? So if you're having any issues, maybe your supplier failed to deliver, or the items is not delivered successfully, like you bought 5 items and you got 3 items, so you can make use of this option to chat their customer care. And if you are a merchant, all right, you can make use of this second option. The third one says Alipay customer care. Maybe your Alipay is linked with this 1688. You can easily contact the Alipay here. And the last option is 𝐻𝐸𝐬𝐧𝐡𝐭 customer service. This is the option we are making use of, because we want to chat with their online agent, like one-on-one conversation. So we are making use of that last option. Let's go back to our Alipay, our 1688. So we click on this 1688 here, and clicking on it will bring out another option. Okay, so you can see we have these two options here now. So let's screenshot, then go back to our Google Translator. Let's screenshot and go back to, let me copy this, then paste it again, because my hand has already pressed it down. So I paste, then I will send this guy here. So you can see it's brought out this option. Let's screenshot, then make use of our Google Translator again. I've already make use, is a thing I can just go directly without making use of this, but my video is always explanatory so you guys can understand. No, now we have this so we are going back to the the previous steps. You know, my hand has mistakenly pressed that, so let's go back. So I click on this last guy, Then remember, we click on this 1688 the last time. I click on it again, then it brought out this option, right? So let me go back and translate it now. So this is the two options it brought out now. So you can see that these are the two options. So we have I'm the buyer, I'm the seller. So if one of these is what you are making use of, if you are the buyer, you can click on it, and if you are the seller, you can click on it. So what are we in this case? We are the buyer, so we make use of the buyer, the first option, right? So you click on the buyer. So you can see that it brought out these options, right? Now I'm not going to translate because I don't want a lengthy video. Now what you want to do is just to check down this and here, this and you are looking, just check it down here. Once you check it down, this will pop out, and once this pops out, you click on this option here, this option here. Clicking on it will take you here directly to this option where you have chat with an agent. Now we see the option of chatting with agents now. So you can see, let me just click on view more. View more is what we have here. You can see that is just a manual guide. You can translate it. Let me cancel it. Now we are going to be clicking on chat with an agent now, for this to take us to a live chat agent. Now if your category falls in with those people that their account has been restricted, just copy that Alipay account that has been restricted, copy it, write it somewhere, and paste it with this live agent. Tell them that your previous account has been frozen, it has been restricted, so they've logged you out, and that is why you are shutting them up. They will provide the necessary informations for you to reactivate your account. And what might lead to this? It might be your supplier reported you, or you pay your supplier with a third-party Alipay account. The payment is not escrowed with 1688. So 1688 will never recognize such transactions, because the transaction is not a direct transaction. So if that supplier is a fraud, it will just report your account, and automatically 1688 will restrict your account. They will disable it, and you won't be able to log in again, and that guy has run away with your money. Okay, so now let's click on chat with an agent. Okay, so I've clicked on it now. So let's wait for this page to pop up. So clicking on it, you can see that you are being connected. You can see that this arrow, I will translate it, but let me just type hello first for this conversation to hold. Hello, please, my 1688 account has been frozen. What can I do to get it back? Okay, no, nothing is wrong with my 1688 account. Let me just say a friend. Let me say a friend, because I don't want anything that will tamper with my own personal account, right? So hello, my friend 1688 account has been frozen. What can she do? This is a simple question. Then I translate. Once I translate, I will send. Remember, we are now connected with an agent here. You can see that this chat is connected with an agent. Now let me screenshot for you to see what I'm saying. So you can see that this is what we have. You can see that this is where this account is connected. Sorry, there is currently no mistress online. Please try again later. Definitely there is no available customer services online for that time. So if at all they are one online, maybe one of them is available, it will definitely pick up that chat and chat with you directly. Now since there is none of them is available, this is the option they are going to provide. Now let's read this carefully. You can see that we have Taobao related issues. 1688 platform cannot help you reason. You can click here to consult Taobao services extra online. Click on this link. You can also try to contact by phone Taobao customer care line. Now this is their customer care line, 9510-211. All right, so that is their customer care online, and we have their merchant online. This is their merchant online. Is either you try that fourth one or you try this number. Okay, and we have it from Monday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 21 hours. So you can see that we have provided option if luckily you cannot connected with an agent, but let's assume you are connected with an agent. The issue will be redirect, like you will talk with them directly. Okay, so now what you want to do in this case, let me go back to this 1688. So what you want to do in this case is to keep on chatting and trying this option till you are going to be connected with a live agent. So these are how to chat with these guys, and luckily for you, if you are to fall with one of these agents, I can definitely assure you that this problem will be resolved. Trust me, it will be resolved. For those of us having a pending transactions on this account, it will be definitely be resolved. But if you've tried and none of these services are working out, please do give them a call. All right, so we can just try again, and once we try again and there is none of them available, then we can just go ahead in calling these guys, right? So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.